Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video. Today's hair is from Alipearl Hair. Super excited for today's video. So today I'm showing you guys a quick color tutorial, also showing you guys how I lay my wigs, you know, have it melting, so melted it looks like mine, using the stocking cap method. This does not require glue, adhesive like Ghost Bond or anything like that. It just requires 𝚬𝚑 hairspray. Okay, so these are all the extra details that come along with the wig as well. Pre-plug natural hairline, deep part lace front, the knots are lightly bleached, and so far and so on. So yeah, this is the hair straight out the packaging. I do have their 180% body wave lace frontal wig, and I do have her in inches of 20. So yeah, this is the construction of the unit. 3 combs in the back, 2 drawstrings, and like I said, this is the construction up close of the lace. Okay, I didn't have any problems with her, you know, stinking or anything like that. She was good to go, sis. So today's vision or look for today, I was going for a more warm, colory look. I don't know if that's making sense, but the colors that I wanted, even though they low-key are like bright colors, I wanted them to be like more warm. I don't know if I'm making sense, y'all. I really don't. But anyway, I did bleach this front portion of this unit off camera using Waller Bleach and Developer and 40. And so now I'm just taking the Midnight Blue by Kiss Color Express, and I'm placing that all over the roots, a little bit more than roots, but the roots of the unit. And then I'm going in with different colors like real purple, indigo blue, fuchsia pink, truly red, and you know, I will show you guys different colors. Not all of them, but some of the colors that I'm using to go with this look. I hope you guys get my drift and where I was going for it. If you guys saw the intro portion of the video, you guys seen how it turned out, and it turned out very poppin'. Okay, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this part. It's really nothing to it. I'm just doing the roots one color and blending it out with the, you know, different types of blues, purples, and greens and pinks, if that makes sense. So I'll be back. So yeah, I'm doing the ball cut method on this wig. Do y'all see the realness of this freaking wig? So super excited for how it turned out. Really love the colors. Like I said, this video was not like technically like a hair color tutorial, so that's why I only showed you guys half of it, but I just went on the other side and put a different, you know, color scheme in there. And I'm just gonna use my Got to Be Glued blasting free spray. I actually found this old bottle, but I actually need some more. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this show on the road. First, you're gonna need a stocking cap, of course, no matter what kind, what color. Grab you a stocking cap. The next item you're gonna need is the Got to Be Glued hairspray. This is gonna secure your stocking cap to your head or your hairline or your forehead, wherever you prefer. This method secures and saving the edges, of course, and it also aids in giving that scalp like look. So this is just setting a barrier so you won't have to, you know, bleach your knots or anything like that. But like this, in this case, the knots are already bleached, so that's not a problem. This also helps if the lace is not like tinted to your scalp color. Okay, it really will help with that. So now I'm going ahead, like I said, I secured it down. You only need this part. You don't have to go and, you know, glue down the whole head, just this part around your ears. I haven't mastered the ear part yet. You know, I looked up other people's methods of applying it over the ears, but you know, I do it and make it work to my ability. But yeah, I'm just drying the hair, making sure that everything is dry. You know when this is dry because it'll be hard, number one. But it won't be sticky. It'll have this weird look to it, but you know it's dry because it doesn't lift up. So you want to be tedious with this part and cut off that excess lace. You just want to take your time and make sure you're cutting it to your hairline if you would like, or you can create a new hairline. Okay, that is the secret about wigs anyway, because it's just like you don't really have to use your natural hairline. You can create a hairline. Build a hairline. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess off, and like I said, I'm trimming it up to my liking, shaping it differently, and I do go off camera and do shape it in some more because it does take a lot of time. Not a lot of time, but if you want not like a blunt look, like this right here was oval, so I did want to go in just a little bit, you know, to give it a little more, you know, not so circle, because you know my hairline is not circle at all. So as you guys can see here, I did go in and, you know, make it a little, you know, just make it a little not natural. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm just covering up this front part of the cap with some foundation. Like I said, this is what is gonna make your hair look like make your lace look very, very scalp like, because you're creating a barrier, you're creating a surface for it just to mimic that. Now, like I said, if your lace is not tended to your hair color, like I'm about to show you guys, if it's not tended to your hair color, you can add more foundation to it, but as you guys can see, it's, you know, blending in very, very well at this point. But I will have to go back and later add foundation around certain parts, because either I pulled it away from the cap where it's not able to blend in, or it's just, never mind, that's the only other option, to be honest. So now I'm just gonna, like I said, going in and cutting the lace to match my stocking cap. And y'all, this may look hard, but it's really not, because this way there's no really right or wrong way. Like when it comes down to the cutting, just create jagged edges and you're really good to go. Alright, so now I'm about to secure her down. Just taking more of that 𝚬𝚜 hairspray and spraying it under, well, on top, below, and then a little bit on top of the cap. So yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. This method really, really works. And like I said, there's areas where it looks like a bluish, clearish color, but I am going to put more foundation on it and then throw my scarf on. That is the key and trick to anything, y'all. If you're seeing like white areas or scalp, or areas that's not looking scalp-like, just put on more foundation using like your beauty blender so it won't be so harsh, and put your scarf on, and I'm telling you, sis, it's going to come out amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs. As you guys can see, it did melt into my scalp a little bit more. But this is pretty much it. I didn't have any problems with it shedding, or I mean, sorry, it does shed. Of course, it does shed. Any shed. So it did shed. I'm at tangling. I didn't have any problems with that whatsoever. The hair is good in my book. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description section below for all information in regards to this hair. Really hope you guys give this a thumbs up. Leave your comments below, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.